This Tony here again. Come back to the TA to Z channel. Okay, today I got the 2003 Toyota Matrix H car with the two own. So that's why they got the accident in the back at the bumper. But the thing is, they have like the gap, just that not much, but the at the corner headline were pushed in. See, you can see that the gap were in underneath of the tail lamp on the right hand side. You can see there, and the bumper cracked out. So now I need to repair that, but before I repair it, I have to remove the on the screw for the bumper on the rear bumper. And the rear bumper is very simple. They got like one bolt on at the right side, right rear fender liner. Need to remove that screw out, and you can get the bumper on the side. And the other side, they got something with that, but in the back, with the very close to the tail lamp area, you can see screw there. I will remove that too. And on the panel inside, we also need to remove that. For we repair that in the rear body panel, because when the car was accident, that will push in a little bit, maybe an inch, push in. After I remove the on the panel out, I will get that, pull it out, or by tool. I do have a tool for pushing up out, or you can use the hammer. It's the hammer out for the back side of the rear panel body. Right now, I'm prepared to get the bumper out. See, you can see how do I get the bumper up right now. It's hard because with the when they get accident, that they put in something stuck in there. But I already get it out right now. I get the remove one screw on the back side of the tail lamp. You can see that after push that, remove that for loosen. Make sure the tail lamp not broken when I use the tool to push it out for the rear body. Because that if the line you not to remove that, you have to easy to make damage for the tail lamp. That's the reason why. See, I push out and I try to close and open. If they even both sides, that means okay. Oh, now I get the bumper outside, but the thing I need to use special tool for the plastic welder now. But the plastic welder, we have some stuff like the spot we need to weld it in. But heat up the some kind of like I think with the 0.8 millimeter for the welder stop, the welder spot right there. See, I put in the head of the welder. But this one I need to keep that very close and tight, and before I push it in, welding that for plastic welder. Okay, you see that the gap right now sticking. Now they have. I think I have to push more and more until that it's easy to tight the bumper. If those things here, you don't use your some kind of tool on your hand, you can hold it for that two parts were broken, get sticking together, have seen no gap, and then you can push it in. Here we go. So after I pick it up the the thing for the welder. Make sure it's good. You see the little bit gap right there, but I'm trying to put it very close as I can. So this way, it's more easy than ever. You can look it out with that. Now, after I heat it up and just straight out with the bumper, and then they got some piece of the metal with the extra outside. I need to grind it, had to go on to get it out for clean before I put it back in the car. Now I cut on the metal part with the outside. Don't forget, somehow we can use the galvanized stick. We can weld them together. But after we welder, I need to more better. I need the plastic welder. I got the plastic glue outside, and then we got the another welder with heat up and make it melting with the weld part and there. See, look very nice. So that's easy to sticking up. After I done with the bumper, I'm start to put it back with the bumper back in, right there. Now, okay, I repair on the thing like panel inside, check it out for the tailgate, make sure it's closing good, no stuck, no hard for closing. Everything make smoothly and slightly when you need to open the tailgate. At the point in the car, if something happen, you hard to open the lift gate. That's why the body man needs to be made smoothly open and close. Okay, now I repair to everything, make sure good before I put it back the bumper in. The bumper we put in, but normally with me, I always match up with the side we did repair. That side we go in first. If something happen, we took out again for line up again. But if you put it in, look good, no gap, no nothing, like easy to look, go ahead and do it. No matter what, we don't care. But something you see, I'm drilled in the hole and make that the retainer. See that for make it up somehow. That retainer doesn't hold the bumper edge right there. Look at the big gap, but you try to do something as close as gap, which I can, because this one is not original, just the aftermarket part. But you can do, you try the best to do, look nice and easy. That's your way, because that if that car were new, we have to order the new stuff from dealer. It make it better, but this car was too old. The only thing we can need easy look how the car would be. We don't care any condition with as long as not too bad. Okay, easy look, that's fine. With me like that, fine with me. I don't care because the car was too old. That's the reason why I'm not do like 95%. I'm just do like 90%. That's good enough. Okay, you see how nice is that? Yes, that's not a big gap. It's not too big. Before that, look the gap with too much. Right now, with I'm trying to line up with the how as long as like the bumper and the left tail on the panel. Yeah, see, it's like that. It's the That's not bad. Okay, thanks for watching my video, and don't forget like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you, everyone. See you next video.